Hi everybody. You could have watched a lot of videos on how to use a credit card wisely and how to get benefited from the offers and reward points the credit card companies offer. But today we are not going to discuss the above topics. I'm your common man and let's start our today's topic with 100% frankness and the truth of how we are using credit cards nowadays. We are using our credit cards in two different styles, and one of them is a big debt trap. First one, using a credit card for all type of payments like mobile, utility bill payments, shopping and restaurant bill payments, etc. We pay the bill within 45 days cycle from our salary. This is a general usage of credit cards and nothing to discuss this style, and it is 100% safe. Let's get to the second way of usage. We use our credit cards for our financial needs, or we can simply refer this as transferring cash or money from a credit card to our bank account. Of course, there are different ways of taking out cash from a credit card, but the most dangerous way of doing it is by using third-party apps like Paytm, PhonePe and NoBroker, etc. Please do watch the entire video so that I'm going to showcase a real big problem for all credit card users and a solution to help you get out of this debt trap. Let's assume a person called Mr. Rubin has a CIBIL score of 750 and above, has applied for a credit card with an Axis Bank. The Axis Bank has offered a credit limit of 50,000 rupees to Mr. Rubin. Initially, Mr. Rubin started using the credit card for general utility payments of 10,000 rupees for the first 2 weeks. In the mid of the third week, he was in an emergency fund requirement and he used above mentioned Paytm, PhonePe and NoBroker apps to transfer 25,000 rupees from his credit card to his bank account. These apps charge a service charge of anywhere between 1% to 3.1%. Everything was going smooth, and after 30 days, Mr. Rubin has received his credit card bill statement of 10,000 rupees utility payments, 25,000 rupees cash transfer, plus 500 rupees, which is 2% of the service charge levied by those apps. Total bill was 35,500 rupees. Mr. Rubin has a grace period of 15 days to clear the dues. But here the catch is, his salary is 45,000 rupees only and he had to manage his livelihood in the same. Barely does he manages to save 15,000 rupees per month. When he checks back the credit card statement once again, the bill shows the same due of 35,500 rupees and a deadline of 15 days. Debt trap 1. Anyhow, he had 15 days to clear the dues, and not having enough funds in his bank account, he applied for another credit card from HDFC Bank. The bank has offered Mr. Rubin a credit limit of 1 lakh rupees. At that time, there were no barriers and Mr. Rubin was on cloud 9. He imagined that with this new credit card, he can solve all his problems. So he again transferred 35,500 rupees from his new HDFC credit card to his bank account via the previously mentioned mobile apps. He cleared the dues of Axis Bank credit card on time. With the same josh, he started enjoying the credit offered by both Axis Bank and HDFC Bank, and he falls into this debt trap for 2 months. And again, he applied for another credit card with another bank and clears the dues of the previous 2 credit cards. This credit card rotation cycle was going on and on. Now let's calculate his total debt. Mr. Rubin's total debt is, with the Axis Bank 50,000 rupees, HDFC credit card 1 lakh rupees and some other card of 1 lakh 50,000 rupees. Total was 3 lakh rupees. He was paying 3% apps service charge extra every month with the previous dues. That will be 3 lakh 3,000 rupees 4th month, 3 lakh 9,060 rupees in the 5th month and 3,15,241 in the 6th month, and so on. It has become 4 lakh rupees of debt by the end of the year. This debt is nowhere going to stop until his CIBIL score gets low or no other bank offers a new credit card. Based on my real experiences and a survey conducted across 100 people, we had almost faced a very bad financial situation. One of them was no bank offered even a secured loan like a home loan or auto loan until all credit card dues get cleared. And it took 3 to 5 years to clear all credit card dues. Here, Mr. Rubin is none other than you and me. We are doing the same mistakes Mr. Rubin did, and currently we are in this debt trap. As I promised, I am going to provide a solution to this kind of problem. Solution number 1. Stop applying for a new credit card and buy some time to close at least 3 out of 5 credit cards.
Welcome to the real world. It sucks. You're gonna love it.
One way of doing this is take a hand loan from your family and friends to close the cards and buy a time of approximately 4 months to return the hand loan. This span of 4 months is enough to get you a personal loan, and your damaged CIBIL score will be back to the normal range. You can clear the hand loan using the personal loan, and EMI will be very low as compared to credit card dues every month. Solution number 2. If you are unable to get any hand loan, ask for 1 or 2 credit cards from your friends and family members and do the same process of taking out cash and closing your credit cards. Rotate your friends' credit cards for 3 to 4 months, which buys enough time to get you a personal loan. After receiving the personal loan, clear your friends' credit card dues and put an end to this debt trap. Solution number 3. If you are still unable to get a hand loan or a credit card from your friend circle, then ask for a one-time settlement with the credit card companies, but make sure to ask them this one-time settlement should be reported to the CIBIL as closed but not as settled in the CIBIL records. If they agree, this is the time to approach an NBFC, non-banking financial corporation like IDFC, Tata Capital, Fullerton, etc. Explain your problem with an NBFC and proceed with their process to get a personal loan which comes at high interest rates, anywhere between 13% to 19% per annum approximately. Why I am asking you to close your credit cards rather than continuing the rotation cycle is, according to the article published in Economic Times, making certain expensive or big ticket size transactions using credit cards or cash can turn the income tax department's gaze to you. The link is available in the description. Please do read the complete article. Last but not the least, a person with no credit card is happier than a person with a personal loan or house loan or a car loan. Only share this video if you have any friends who need this kind of advice, and please don't forget to subscribe. Lead a life debt free. Let's catch up with another interesting topic. Take care. Bye bye.